But it's just so many people that have that name. So if I stream, I'll probably stream again tonight or tomorrow. I think we hit that bitch, chat. Chat, I need a radar. Not that I speed. That should just sound cool, you know what I mean? K band. K A band. That should be like British and shit. K A band. Hold on, I'm about to hit it. Ooh, that's an undo. But we don't care. We do not care. Undo, we don't care. But nah, who followed me on Insta? I think it was like Muentes or Muntes. Someone said cops and tickets. I'm in your chat every stream. Juice World, you know what? You got it. I'm gonna give you a mod. I'm gonna take your word for it. That's just the type of dude I am. You know? I'm trying to be chill, you know? Can this slow ass fucking 1980s car get the freak out my way? What about me, broski? I don't think I've ever seen your name before. Not gonna lie. But I'll go on my computer tonight. It'll tell me how long. It'll tell me. Actually, just join the Discord, y'all. I got a Discord. It's in my bio. If y'all can either send me a screenshot of how long y'all been subscribed, or if you guys remind me, I can look on YouTube Studio and it'll tell me. And if you've been subscribed longer than like a month, I got you. I don't really remember your name. Wait. No. Damn, so if you just subscribed today, I can't do it, you know what I mean? Because I gotta reward the OGs. But if you hear it in like next week's stream, I promise you, I'll literally give them bitches out. Cause Sheesh. I wonder if people can hear that shit. Like inside their car. God damn, that bitch sound good. Or what? I don't know. Am I just driving fast or some shit? Cause like everybody just seems to be driving slow. But no, if y'all subscribe to me today, take a screenshot, you know what I'm saying? Do what you gotta do. And if you guys are here in the future, I will give you a mod. Cause like I said, I have so many mods, it's just they never be here. So I'm like always live at different times. Shit, chat. I'm supposed to be over there. It's okay. I'll do a little U-turn. It's all good. I forget that shit every single time. Damn, she looked pissed. She looked pissed. Cut up. The pinned one. Oh, shit, bro. Will. This is what I'm talking about, bro. I'm just joking, bro. Someone put my Instagram in the thing. Cause that's not wrong. Wait, gapped. How do you even spell my? I forget how to damn spell it. GAPT1ZED. Yeah. No, it's no S. It's just a Z. So if someone can redo it just like that, and then capital and all, and maybe even put join the Discord as well, it'll be pinned. It will be pinned. Am I in Florida? Of course I am. I be in Atlanta. I be in Florida. I be in Georgia. I be in everywhere. Come on, man. I'm wasting gas. Come on. Let's go. Let's get it moving, buddy. Let's get it moving. All right. Let's see if the boat can do a U-turn. Woo! Chat. That shit felt good, looked good, sound good. Oh my God.